How to use Zelle with the Bank of America. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about using Zelle with the Bank of America. So let's get started. First of all, to utilize a Zelle in conjunction with the Bank of America, adhere to the subsequent steps. You have to get yourself enrolled in the Zelle by logging into your Bank of America account. That includes the correct form of your user ID and the password. And after logging into your Bank of America account, proceed to the transfer section and therein locate the option to deploy Zelle. Subsequently, enroll by furnishing the mandatory information, granting consent to the terms and conditions, handpicking the account for the association with the Zelle, and configuring the security measures to safeguard against the unauthorized access. Initiate a money transfer by activating a Zelle through your account, designate the recipient or input their particulars, and specify the amount, meticulously review and validate the transaction, and furnish the verification of your identity in case the need arises. To receive the funds, meticulously adhere to the instructions outlined in the notification to facilitate the deposit directly into your Bank of America account. So this was all about it. This is how you can use Zelle with the Bank of America, along with other bank as well. So if you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.